That's just great. That's so great. Ah, this is just great. That's great. That's great. This is just great. That's great. Look. Look at that. Look at the split. Look at it. That's great. That's just great. Look at it. That's great. I say, Pip Pip, tally-ho, old boy. I say, old chap, look, stupid glue. I say, use a bit of stupid glue. Good show, old boy. I say, old chap. I say, clamp it in place, old boy. Good show, carry on, old chap. I say, old fellow. I say, Pip Pip, tally-ho. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a bit of wire. I say it's a bit of wire. It's a bit of wire. I'm going to use it for mechanical strength. Can you say what I've done? It's a soldering iron. I say, Pip Pip, tally-ho. I say, old boy, it's a soldering iron. Yes, and that's stupid glue. That's great. That's just great. I'm using super glue. Can you see? And the soldering iron, I've sort of melted the wire in. That's great. I say, Pip Pip, tally-ho, old boy. I say, old chap, look, it's got mechanical strength now. And there's plenty of clearance in the hole that it goes in with the servo, the stepper motor. Yeah, so it's got a servo that runs it. I say, old chap, good show. Carry on. This is great. I'm telling you, it's great. That's just great. It's fucking great. This is great. I have silicone grease. I'm using silicone grease. Hey, Paul. Hey, what happened to John? Hey, it's fine, go. I'm using silicone grease because that's plastic. Yeah. Hey, George, I'm using silicone grease. Yeah. Yeah. I say, old boy, Pip Pip, tally-ho. I say, that looks bonny. It looks bonny. It looks bonny. I think it looks bonny. It's bonny. I think it looks bonny now. Put the spring on. Watch me put the spring on. I say, old boy, Pip Pip, tally-ho, here it is all fixed in action. I say, old chap. I say, carry on, old boy. Pip Pip, tally-ho. I say, it's all fixed. Good show. Carry on. It looks bonny. I think it looks bonny. It looks bonny. It's all better now. I say, old chap, carry on, old boy. I say, Mumsy, look, it's working now. It's all fixed, old chap. I say, put the screws back in, old boy. Carry on, old chap. Good fellow. I say, stiff up a lip, old boy. Good show, carry on. Oh, don't forget those cover clips. Yes, put them back in. Good show, carry on. I say, it looks bonny. It looks bonny. I say, that's great. That's just great. It looks bonny. It looks bonny. It's great. It's just great. I think it's just great. That's just great. Don't forget to turn it back on, old boy. I say, old chap. Carry on. And here it is, all fixed, old boy. I say, good show, old chap. I say, put the tea on, old boy. It's all done. It looks bonny. I think it looks bonny. It looks bonny. It's bonny. I think it looks bonny. Good show. I say, carry on, old boy. I say, old chap. That's the old chap. That's it.